All right, so we're gonna take a train for the first time in our lives to go meet up with our wife. It's not too far. It's about 45 minutes on a train, an hour and a half in a car. Yes, I got a new Honda. Beautiful. This video is not sponsored by Honda, but if you want to sponsor me, hey, let me know. Yeah, I got my dog, my buddy. Said my buddy can use the car while I'm gone. Just bought my dog this cool ass backpack with all the vents, and it's all extra fancy. Let's see how this works. All right, so we're here, I guess. We can slow this thing. So we're still wearing these bad boys, I guess down here at least. My dog in the backpack. Hey, look at this fresh backpack though. It's pretty fresh. He can carry me though if he's whining so much, you know? You know what's coming. Coming from behind. Oh god. Alright, that's our seat. Whoa. Holy fuck. Holy crap. Hold on. In a minute you have vertigo. You end up on a train and you're terrified of this little lander thing. Okay. All right, I'm in 1F. Where the hell is that? 1A, 1F. Nice. This is all pretty cool, huh? A big board. This is pretty cool, you know? Definitely worth the train ride. I don't want this mask anymore. Paid $3 for that mask. Literally just threw money away. I just grabbed $3, threw it in the trash. Every time I gotta buy a mask, I'm gonna grab $3, I'm gonna crumble and throw it in the garbage. Damn, babe, you're staying in luxury. Well, this is the reason why we're in Boston, because this beautiful lady, look at how she's, thank God for first care workers right here. First care, right?
No, healthcare workers.
First responders. First responders,
that's what you meant.
Yeah. Oh wow, we're now all the way at the end. It's not even that far. Wow. Oh my god, babe, you got a little stove?
Yeah.
And a whole kitchen? You can wash dishes here? Yo, this looks like the RV kinda in this little section.
I know.
Holy crap, you can make your own coffee? Oh. This is how our apartment should be designed, huh?
Yeah. Mad nice, right?
Love the wallpaper.
I know, me too.
Very modern.
Yeah, I like it. You're almost there. Hold on. You're almost there. Hold on. Okay. Come see.
Oh, smells good. And yeah, so let's see. All right, so we ordered a cheeseburger combo with a double patty, we added bacon, we got tots, a milkshake, and a water for the dog, because you know he's chilling with daddy today, right? So now all we got to do is plan our tour. So